Hi everyone. Today I will show you the full guide on how to transfer money from Botim to Adcb bank account in 2025. Let's get started. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Step 1. Open the Botim app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Botim app installed on your phone. Then log in using your registered credentials. Step 2. Access the wallet section. Once logged in, go to the money transfer or wallet section in the app. Tap on the option labeled Transfer to Bank. Step 3. Choose Adcb as the recipient bank. From the list of available banks, select Adcb. If you don't see Adcb listed, you can manually enter the bank details. Step 4. Enter bank details. Provide the recipient's IBAN account number and full name. Be sure to double-check all the details to prevent errors or failed transfers. Step 5. Enter the transfer amount. Type in the amount you want to send. Take note of any applicable fees before continuing. Step 6. Confirm the transfer. Review all the details thoroughly. Then authorize the transaction using a one-time password or biometric authentication. Step 7. Receive confirmation. After confirming, you'll receive a confirmation message. The funds will be transferred to the recipient's bank account within the designated processing time.